Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about implicit differentiation. So now I will show you how to answer. They want to find about second derivative of y. Before we calculate about this one, we need to find the value of y when s equals to number 8. So for this one, we can put into x to the power of 2 over 3. Similar for this one. Now, I will put number 8 going here. This one, if we calculate, you got about number 4. We put number 4 go to the right. And you got about number 9. Now, we put the power 3 over 2 for the both sides. 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 2, you got about y. And this one you got about 27. That's it about the first step. Now we go to the second one. We do first derivative for the both sides. So we know that we have the formula in here. If we do first derivative of this one, you got about ns to the power of n minus 1. Now we can apply in here. About the constant, you got about 0. For this one, you got about s to the power of 2 over 3. Now we put n equal to number 2 over 3. You will have this one. And you got about 2 over 3 s to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1. Now we do similar for this one, but for y, if we do first derivative of this one, you got about 2 over 3 y to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1, and we have first derivative of y in here. We simplify 2 over 3, 2 over 3. This one, you got about negative 1 over 3. This one, you got about negative number 1 over 3. Now, we can go to second derivative. That means we need to do first derivative for the both sides. Now, if we do first derivative of this one, you got about negative 1 over 3 s to the power of negative 1 over 3 minus 1. If we do first derivative of this one, you got about negative 1 over 3 y to the power of negative 1 over 3 minus 1. And later that we have first derivative of y. And we have another first derivative of y because we apply about the product rule of derivative. So after we do this one, now we go to first derivative of this one in here, and you have about second derivative. Now we need to simplify everything in here. This one you got about negative number 4 over 3. This one you got about negative number 4 over 3. This one we can put like this. Now they want to find the value of second derivative, but we need to find the value of first derivative in here. So we need to return back in here. We know that x dash is about number 8. We put number 8 go in here. Y dash is about 27. So we put number 27 go in here. To find the value of first derivative of y. This one you got 1 over 2. This one you got 1 over 3. Now I will put 1 over 2 go to the right. And you got about negative 1 over 2. Later that we put number 3 go to the right. And we got about negative number 3 over 2. After we find the value of this one, now we can put the value on here. Y and x, we already know about that. So about x, that is about number 8. Y, that's about 27. This one, that is about this one. Y, that's about 27. Now, we need to simplify this one. And you got negative 13 over 432. About this one, we got 1 over 3. And now, I will put this one go to the right. And then I will put number 3 go to the right. And you got about 13 multiplied by 3. We simplify by number 3 and you got about 13 over 144. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.